Instagram is my favorite social media platform and I'm sure many of you love it too. So whenever I see my follower count dipping, it bothers me a lot. There's no easy way to find out who unfollowed me on the Instagram app, unfortunately, and manually going through my followers list to look for unfollowers is just too much work. Fortunately, there's a way to keep a track of your followers and unfollowers on Instagram, and we are here to tell you just how to do that. But before we go ahead, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and hit the bell icon so you know when we post a new video. As I said before, the only method to find out who unfollowed you on the Instagram app is to do it manually by searching through all your followers and to see who is missing, which is far from practical. So instead, there are a bunch of apps that I tested for both Android and iOS. These apps basically help you keep a track on the people who have unfollowed you on Instagram. Let me show you how they work. Now, before we go ahead, do note by using third-party apps, you will be giving them access to some of your Instagram data. We would advise caution when giving an app access to your data on social media. The second problem is that Instagram could change its API at any time. So there's a possibility that some of these apps will stop working altogether. Finally, you won't get any data regarding who followed or unfollowed you in the past. These apps can only log your unfollowers from the day you set them up with your account. First, I tried using the Follow Meter app, which I installed on both Android and iOS. The problem with it was that it was very inconsistent in terms of refreshing the list of followers and unfollowers. So I will give this one a pass. Next, I tried Follow Corp on Android and Followers Tracker Pro on iOS. Now these are two different apps from two different developers on two different platforms. Both the applications work, but they are too slow and have too many ads. So I will give these both a pass as well. This brings me to the best app of the lot, which in my opinion works pretty fine. Reports Plus, which is available for both Android and iOS. The link will be added in the description down below. Let me show you how it works. I will be showing it on an Android smartphone, but it shares the same UI and features on iOS as well. Once the app is installed, you will need to sign in with your credentials. So this is what the homepage layout looks like. All you need to do is to pull down from the top for the app to refresh, and that's it. Immediately, you will know if you have gained followers or lost some of them in their respective tabs. You can also check for people who are following you and also the ones whom you are following. Additionally, you can go to settings by hitting the hamburger icon in the top left corner. From there, you can choose to turn on push notifications that you will receive whenever someone unfollows or blocks you. The app also offers some premium features that are unnecessary. You can check who unfollowed you on Instagram for free. Now, Reports Plus will help you manage your followers and unfollowers. Do you want to quickly unfollow all those people who have unfollowed you? On Android, download Cleaner for Instagram. The link will be added in the description down below. Sign in with your credentials. This is the home page. From the bottom bar, you can check the people you follow, the ones who are following you, your uploaded files, and finally your liked photos and videos. Now, Instagram doesn't allow you to do mass actions. For example, try deleting a bunch of photos on the app and you'll have to do it one by one. But it's not the case for the Cleaner app. So say you want to unfollow a bunch of people, simply go to the Followers tab, select multiple users. Once done, tap on the blue flash button present at the bottom. From the options, select Unfollow. You can try doing the same steps for following multiple people or just to delete multiple posts. Similarly, if you are using an iOS device, download Mass Unfollow for Instagram from the App Store. The link will be added in the description down below. Sign in with your credentials and get started. The app works similar to the Cleaner app on Android. So if you wish to delete a bunch of photos, simply select by tapping on them. Once done, tap on Action and select Delete. Similarly, you can repeat the process for other options as well. Yes, there are a bunch of other apps that do these things as well, but the ones I am recommending turned out to be the most reliable during my testing. So that's all for this video. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, then please hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Do you know any other way to get this done? Let us know via the comments. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.